Bad bigs, big up yourself. You know, say Tellah representing. You know, say Droop and our friends. You know, say a league. You know, say a prophecy. You know, say as a God, Jabi. You don't know Droop himself. Loki D singing melody. Nature Ellis. You know, myself, Tellah. King David play the yap. Prophecy man name call already. Yeah, man. King David play the yap. Kagola yap. This one that come from this thing make the giant jump. So when we chat, now you bring it to our virtual communication from the parish. Bad mix.
Big up to Bad Mix Entertainment. Big up yourself every time. From Paula, Creatives of Peace, Jamaica, Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and big up.
Watch, you know, start another play. One play in the game I want to represent Bad Mix Entertainment. For the girl, come on, BNB, Tony, and the way.
Yeah, you don't need to go to I wanna hear you say yes, I wanna hear you say yes. Representing for none other than the Bad Mix, One TV and a Bad Mix TV. I want to
Alright, so we've got more for sure. The first female performer coming through right now at center stage. From gospel music to Rastafariism to Nabingi. Those are just a couple of elements from her background. From singing on the choir to burning Nabingi. Yeah. Her name is the beautiful queen, Tellah. She has an amazing presence. She's queenly in character. She's a mother and a queen at heart. Beautiful and elegant and radiant. And I'm sure you'll be full enjoying her performance right now. As we welcome, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, right here at the Queen School for our queen coming to our city stage right now. None other, remember her name, Tellah.
Blessings, kings and queens. Greetings, daughters and sons of Zion. Ledger, Bad Mix, big up on yourself. Mr. Garcia Campbell, enough love. Uncle Pierre, me see you know. Mama the crew in the house. The mama the crew not there. Not one the crew not there, so. Droop Lion and friends. You know, from a little girl, I always find myself amongst the men, you know. Sometimes I'm here to play marble, we have play cricket, football. See me? And it always been like this with me as a female amongst the kings. See me? Alright? King of the jungle band, big up on yourself. Queen School, thank you for having us. Alright, the song your name, Tellah. Garcia Campbell, enough love. Azaga Jabi, big up yourself. Droop Lion, Prophecy. The whole crew. Alright. Yo. Remember the bar, right? And jerk chicken around there. Alright, you know Black History Month. So you know some great columns in reggae. And only Bob Marley. You know your Black History Month. Most of the time when it's a singer, an artist song, you know most of the people always a singer Bob Marley. But this artist named Abijah. So all who know the song Revelation, you can sing with me, right? Let's pick up yourself. Lego. Nature Ellis. Droop and friends. One love, thanks for having me. Alright, listen. One big. From your place, please, the Almighty. Taxi. You know what to tell us, the Black History Month? So we have to show some respect. Observing all this from every angle that I see, my people And I've seen the fire spreading. It's getting hotter and hot. To have where you wanna be in the shoes and the have-nots. The sign is on your door that you will be safe for sure. But if you are in prison, you're on the wrong side of the bed. Oh, fire burning, fire burning, 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 keep the fire burning. 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 Fire burning. Fire burning, 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 keep the fire burning. Greatness, mighty blessings. All right, let's sing the final song for the next artist. Come on, one you're the taxi, right? From the ways, please the Almighty. All your enemies have to be at peace with you. The one that you pray without ceasing. Where there is fire, there is power, nature. Fire means, let's go and pray. My way is clear and I live without fear. Thank you, Jah, for putting me there. When everything is falling around me, Jah put blessings and angels around me. When the fires of hell keep burning and the pages of war keep turning, I know, yes, I know, Jah alone. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for loving me. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for everything. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for loving me. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for everything. For me the sun is always shining, every cloud of a silver lining. When the wicked search on me, but none of them really can confront me. Me have more blessings than you can count. I shall love me without discount. I know, yes, I know, Jah alone. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for loving me. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for everything. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for loving me. Thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, thank you, Jah, for everything. Thanks for having me. Please tell your power to us. Thank you for the love and support always at RFM. My neighbors, I know you're in the crowd. Thanks for being here and everyone. Greatness. One love, one love, one love. Come true, Queen.
Well done, beautiful Tellah, beautiful Tellah. What you say for beautiful Tellah? What a mom on the front of them there. Tellah, Tellah, beautiful queen, radiating pure, awesome essence. Thank you, Jeff, for loving me. I fell in love with that song even before I knew who sang it. And I went and researched and I looked it up and I started playing it like religiously. And then I came to Kingston, I came to Portmore one day and I met her physically. And she's like, oh my God, thank you. Thank you, Jah. Everything is working in divine order. Oh yeah, that was beautiful, Tellah.